Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling location services and granting precise permission. This lets apps access GPS data reliably. Once done, install the same sharing app on both devices: Google Maps for Android, Apple Find My for iPhone, or a cross-platform tracker. Make sure both phones are on the same Wi-Fi or have cellular data, and enable Bluetooth for quicker initial pairing. These steps remove permission and connectivity barriers, so the next actions truly exchange GPS coordinates between devices without delay. Now you open the chosen app and sign in, then initiate a share by selecting Share Location or Share Live Location. Choose a duration, 1 hour, until end of day, or indefinitely. Invite the other phone using their email, phone number, or a generated link. This provides an authenticated path to stream GPS data. On the receiving phone, accept the invitation and confirm precise location access so coordinates are live and accurate. This creates a continuous location feed you can monitor and use for navigation or tracking. To finish, verify the shared pin matches real-world landmarks. Tap refresh or restart the share if the position lags. Make sure background location updates are allowed and exempt the app from aggressive battery optimization, otherwise sharing may stop when the screen locks. If things go wrong, first toggle location off and on, then reboot the phone. Next, check app permissions and network connectivity. If issues persist, re-invite the other device or reinstall the app. These steps resolve most syncing or permission conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.